did the jungle suddenly become so quiet?
You're right, Dudu. Something feels different today.
Maybe if you sing louder, everyone will like you.
Dudu, that wasn't kind. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to hurt you.
You don't have to sing like others. You are special just the way you are.
Wow!
You don't sing. You make music.
See? Everyone is special in their own way.
I think no one needs me right now. Dudu is having fun without me. Mimi! Where did you go? Mimi, are you okay? I felt left out, Dudu. You were playing and I felt invisible.